we've got the rear light. Yeah, that's bigger than I expected it to be. I don't know if you can see that. And then we've got the license plate with the brackets. So what we're going to do is get rid of all this big mud flap and make it a little bit smaller. So today I've just got in the rear light, which is going to take out that, and as you can see it's got the white light underneath shine down onto the number plate. So first things first, start by taking the seat off, and then these Torx head bits here, and yeah, see how it goes. Got the light assembly here, molding these screws through, but what I've done is drilled a little hole in there, so when I put that on like that, feed these wires straight through. Fix that up like that. So that's what it should look like.
Hit the beats and shut up. This ain't a beat, it's a
Got this as well. Plug and play. So I've got two of them and all the other lens pads. So I've got these indicators here, but because they're going from from globe to an LED, I've also got myself some flash relay resistors, which I'll need to wire all this up to the stock wiring there. Alright, so the lights are in. It's messy, but got one in. And the second. Beautiful. So, got the brackets in and the lights on. It's not wired up yet, but it's starting to come together. Now, I'm going to wire it all and try and make up a bracket for this tail light here.